Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to the exciting video from Koh Samui Island, and today we're gonna be exploring the best waterfalls on the island, the Namuang waterfalls. Let's get into the vlog. Alright, here we are at the Namuang waterfall number 1, which looks really amazing. There is no entrance fee, you just pay 20 baht for parking, which is located only 1 minute of walking from the waterfall. But it's very crowded here with tourists. Here we are trying out the new GoPro that we bought because the last one got stolen in another waterfall in Chiang Mai. But this waterfall not only looks great, but it has also a quite deep water underneath, which is great for swimming and refreshing in hot weather. And here I'm being more adventurous. After I saw some other people jumping from here, I decided to go for it as well. Here we are beginning to hike to the second Namuang waterfall, which is located maybe 5 minutes of drive from the first one. And there is also option to go on a water slide here, but you have to pay about 300 baht per person, plus another 30 baht for parking. And here I'm trying to climb this first part of the waterfall, which looks pretty easy, but when I started climbing it was actually pretty slippery and I had to be very careful. So here I managed to get to this more flat part, but from here the terrain was quite steep and even more slippery, so from here I just decided to go back down. So after we play around in the waterfall, we see there is a trail on maps.me that's leading to some nature pool for swimming, so we're gonna check it out. As you can see, this trail is quite adventurous with some steep rocks and attached ropes. Alright, so here we arrived to this nature pool, but we see there are some other people up there, so we're just gonna wait for them to go and enjoy this other one that's a little bit more down. Alright, and after we waited a little bit for those guys to go, we had all this nature pool for ourselves. So we're gonna try to swim to the little waterfall on the other side. So when I got closer to the waterfall, I actually noticed that you can go under it and there's like a little cave, so I'm gonna check it out. Once you get inside the cave, you're gonna see another waterfall, and you can actually go through this other waterfall and get to another small cave. This was a great surprise and amazing adventure. Right, and after exploring that amazing cave, we had a little bit more time left before going back, so we decided to fly a drone around here. So as you can see, the jungle looks nice and thick here with a really high and big trees. Unfortunately, only a small percentage of island is preserved like this, and most of it is deforested for plantations. And as we were descending back down, we got rewarded with this beautiful sunset. And on the way back, you can decide to go another way on the other side of the river, where you can see more smaller waterfalls. Adventures, I hope you enjoy another amazing adventure from Koh Samui. Stay tuned for future videos, and as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.